Hello, welcome to this quick video. My name is Adam. This video is about the j sound, j. Things like messages or camouflage. How do we make this j sound? Well, so let's start with the sh sound, which comes from the s sound. So the s sound, you would put your tongue to the very top of the mouth, or the roof of your mouth, behind your teeth. Teeth are closed, and you blow over. So you get that s sound. Now, make the mouth a bit smaller, and then drop the front of the tongue, the tip of the tongue, drop it down so the air is dissipated, and then blow over the top. You get a sh sound, sh sound, shower. Now, though, make the air come from your throat, not from here, like shower, shower. Rather like the z sound. So you got s, z. We got sh, j, j. And you could hear your throat vibrate as the voice box vibrates. It's got this j, j. Okay, the tongue is down behind the teeth, but the air is dissipated, but then the air comes from your throat. Let's have a look at some words, and I'll put them down below. Regime, regime. Massages, massages. Protégé, protégé. Entourage, entourage. A beige pillow, beige pillow. Vague games. Oh, no. Vague genre, vague genre. Camouflage, camouflage. Mirage theory, mirage theory. Collage work, collage work. Okay, excellent. Last one, sorry. Composure, composure. So this is an S sound, but it's a bit harder, isn't it? Composure. Okay, excellent. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye now.